Episode 2 na ito mga friends. Getting ready into the car. And I show you guys all my family members. My mom and dad are not here yet. So guys, na-show ko yung family members ko sa inyo sa episode 1. Episode 2 na to. Yes, episode 2. Every day I'm shuffling. Basketball court. Yes. This is my sister. Okay. This is my grandpa. This is my tita. That's my tito. My inay. I say hello to the video. Mami, say hi to the video.
Hindi namin alam.
Say hi to the video. Say hi.
Aalis na kami.
Okay guys, that's my mommy. And we're getting the car. Yes, that's our car. Say hello to the video again. Say hello to the video again. Oh my God. Ayaw talaga. See you guys in the next episode.